are making black-eyed pea roti, and we have 1 pound of black-eyed peas and 5 cups of water, soaked for 4 hours. So we're gonna drain this out. So we're gonna boil it in 5 cups of water. Oop, I dropped a bean. Alright, so this has been boiling for 10 minutes. I don't know, it is a little bit soft.
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be.
So you just
Mush it with your hand.
Okay.
That's how you do it, right? You
Alright.
Let it mush like this.
Like that?
Yes.
Okay,
See?
so that's
Okay.
ready. 3 cloves of garlic and 1 little onion.
You're going to peel it and chop it.
Okay. We're going to use 2 teaspoons of cumin, and we're going to roast them. We're going to cook this for like 2 minutes until it's tender. So we're going to add the black-eyed peas.
Yeah. Now you're going to put the cumin, the roasted.
The roasted cumin seeds.
Mix it.
Alright, now we're going to transfer it all into this bowl.
Yep.
So normally we would add fresh hot pepper, but we can't get any for some reason. So we're gonna add a teaspoon of chili powder. Now we're gonna make the dough for the roti. We're gonna put 6 cups in total. We have 1 teaspoon of salt. Alright, so this is 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Alright, so this is 2 cups of warm water. So actually add it gradually instead of what I did. Okay, so a little bit more.
One more cup, like 3 cups.
1 more cup, so like 3 cups in total. So we have a teaspoon of oil here, and we're just gonna put it all over the place.
You want to make them in balls,
Okay.
right? Look at it here, right?
Uh-huh.
And the flour here. I just put it down one there, put the next one here.
Okay.
I put it 2 of the flour here, and I just do so, and I open it. Right?
Okay.
And you take it up now, and you take the end, careful in the end. Yeah, you're getting it really, see, nice,
Yeah.
yes, yes, very good. Why this do I hold my hand so? Yeah, so this piece is kind of, yeah.
Okay, like that.
Yes, and then you take some, put it down, you squeeze down on it a little.
Or like that.
Yeah. Better, yep.
gonna cook it for like a minute on each side.